Hello, in this third video we'll see how to install the audio on the RaspiAudio Pi5 drive here on the right. So the good news is there is not much to do. On the next boot you will see on the top right corner a speaker and a microphone, indicating that the card was detected automatically. So you just need to set the correct volume depending on your application. Maybe you need to record on the microphone, maybe you need to record using the aux in, or maybe you need to play using the built-in speaker, which is here, or maybe you need to play both on the speaker and the headphones. So to do so, we prepared some profiles for you. These profiles are used to automatically set up the volume according to the different scenario I mentioned before. You will find all the commands I'm using in the installation guide, and the link is in the description of this video. First thing first, you need to clone the GitHub, typing this command. Then you need to go in the directory then if you do ls, you will notice that you have different files. Each file is actually one audio configuration. So I will just select this one. Doing this sudo alsactl restore, I will restore the volume for having the mic, the onboard mic, the onboard speaker, and the onboard HP, which means headphones. You could ignore the error message here, no problem, and you could test it right away.
Front right.
So it's working. So now how to record. First thing, you need to list and to find the device, the recording device. So you type this command lrecord -l. Doing this, you will see one device which is on card number 2, so hardware number 2, and sub-device 0. So when you are recording, you need to use this information. lrecord -d, so the device is 2,0 for 4 seconds, 2 channels. Okay, let's try. Hello, this is just a test. 1 2 1 2. This is just a test. All right, and now we need to play. I mean, if we want. And the name is record. Right. Oh. Hello, this is just a test. 1 2 1 2. This is just a test. Okay, so it's working. If you need to save your current audio configuration, you will type in this command, store. So it's the same than before, but instead of restore, you will store and you will put it in a file. So then if you like this audio configuration, you could start it automatically when you're booting up. So of course, if you open a website on Chrome or any other browser, you will be able to hear and to record. And if you want to set up your devices manually, you type as a mixer, and then you need to select the device. So it's F6, and you select the device number 2. Let's make it bigger. Then from here you will select F5 to see all the controls, and you see you have a lot of controls. So headphones is speaking by itself. Line out is actually the onboard speaker. Microphone 1 is left, I think, and mic 2 is right. Aux is aux in. Then you have a lot of different control. I could not I don't have time to go one by one. ALC is quite useful. It's for the recording. If you need to record using microphones, it will set some gain and threshold. The DAC is the audio coming out. You could set an equalizer. You could set a mono mix if you want both channels to go to every channel, left and right. So if you want to select an option, you double click. You select first in red, then double click. Alright, then Control C to exit. And if you need to store the configuration, you will do as before. Alright, this is a starting point, but from here you could use, I guess, this sound card to chat on the internet, on Zoom or Skype, if it's still used, I don't know. Alright, thank you very much for your time.